Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting control. Wash hands, clear a flat surface, and remove the case. Heat is essential because the nano adhesive softens, so you use a hairdryer on low heat for 20-30 seconds at the edge. Once warm, lift a corner with a fingernail or a thin pry tool, just enough to thread dental floss or fishing line underneath. You do this gently to avoid bending the screen. Make sure the lift is stable before you start the next sliding motion. You hold the lifted corner and position the floss under the protector, keeping it as close to the glass as possible. With controlled back and forth sawing motions, slide the floss parallel to the screen. This severs the adhesive rather than peeling. If you feel strong resistance, reheat briefly and continue. The warmth keeps the glue pliable. Once the floss is halfway across, switch hands to maintain an even angle and speed. This minimizes stress on the protector. You finish by lifting the last edge and peeling the protector off slowly, keeping the motion flat and even. Once removed, inspect for residue. Use a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol to clean the glass. Wipe in one direction to avoid streaks. If sticky adhesive remains, apply a small amount of adhesive remover to a cloth and rub gently. If the protector cracks or glass chips, stop and consider professional repair to prevent further damage to the display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.